Today I'm sharing a pretty cool tool called the Intelligent Terminal. It's a command line tool fully supporting AI called WAP, and its official website is wap.dev. It currently only supports Mac and Linux. For Mac, you can either click to download it or use command line installation. Once it's installed, it looks like this. We can see why it's called intelligent. When we type commands, for example LLS, I can display all my folders, display the contents of my current folder. I can also use natural language to tell it. For example, I have a test directory. I went into the time recording section, for example, to find the largest file in this directory. Writing this command can be a bit annoying, but for those familiar with the command line, it's not a problem. However, if you're not familiar, it's okay, because we can simply ask in natural language, like how to find the largest file under my current folder. List all files in the folder and subfolders. Then, okay, it is already displayed. I enlarged the font a bit, and it has given you the command, so you just need to execute it. Press enter, and it's done. It found a file called "This is a DMG," and currently it is the largest. Let's verify that. For example, you can ask a follow-up question, continue the conversation, or use backspace to exit. I'll exit first, then open this file, though it's a bit slow. Let's open it directly and see. Let's check the folder size. It's 1.33 gigabytes in total. The 800 plus megabyte file is clearly more than half of 1.33 gigabytes, so this file at 887 is indeed the largest. Additionally, it supports a feature called Warp Drive. You can take this command, you can copy it and place it into your own workflow. For example, here there are a bunch of workflows, like example workflow. Let's take a look. Just run it by pressing enter, and it will output something like hello world, echo hello world, which is the same as typing it yourself, for instance, hello heaven. It will then pop up hello heaven. We copy the previous command and save it to our own workflow. This means that commands like these can be directly run from here later. We can switch to a different folder. There's a button called Start Workflow, where we add a new folder called My Workflow. Then I create a specific workflow. I'll name the workflow, find largest file under current folder, and write recursive list. Then save it with create. That way we have it. We drag it into our folder here, and we can then open it. And it's displayed right here. It's already set up, so we can switch to a different directory and try it out. Wait a moment. Let me cancel it first. For example, what is this? Let me find something not too big, this CD work, and try running our workflow here. Just press enter to see what the largest file in there is. Found an RG agent introduction.pptx file. This is the wireless workflow, so it is a completely comprehensive system that can be called. This is called an intelligent command line terminal that organically integrates natural language with command line operations. We can now list what kinds of files are in this directory, right? And then you can, for example, find your IP address by typing find my IP and hitting enter. Okay, just press enter and curl returns your external IP address for you. Then you ask, how about my internal IP? Okay, press enter and you have your internal IP. Okay, that's all for today's sharing.